Hi guys, Jake and Noah here with Green Cover Seed. Today we're going to talk about a cover crop that tends to be a little confusing. When people hear the word rye, they often associate it with one plant. However, there's a big difference between cereal rye and annual ryegrass.
Cereal rye and annual ryegrass are two different plants, but because cereal rye is probably the most widely used cover crop, annual ryegrass oftentimes gets overlooked. Ryegrass is a bunch grass that has long, thin leaves ranging from 12 to 24 inches. It is commonly used for grazing because of its high sugar content. It establishes very quickly, producing a high amount of forage in a short amount of time. Ryegrass also stands up well to close and frequent grazing, giving you the option for multiple grazings.
So ryegrass is really popular for interseeding because it mixes well with clover and vetch, but it is also commonly used for aerial seeding because the planting rate is half that of cereal rye, so you can cover more acres with a lighter load. This light seed also germinates really well on top of the soil. Now another cool thing about annual rye is that it goes dormant at about 85 degrees. So you can plant it before corn, it will establish and then hibernate during the hot summer months. Then it will go back to growing in the fall, right around the time of corn harvest. It is shade tolerant, so it does well under the corn canopy and is adapted to cool, wet soils, especially in irrigated fields. The roots of cereal rye aren't even as good as those of annual ryegrass when it comes to heavy clay soils.
There are two kinds of annual ryegrasses, diploids and tetraploids. Diploids are very winter hardy but don't establish as quick. Tetraploids establish very quickly but aren't as winter hardy. Both can be difficult to chemical kill in the spring because of the thin stem blades. Weather and herbicide selection make a huge difference in successful termination. A full rate of annual ryegrass is around 18 pounds an acre, and we would recommend less than that in a diverse mix of clover, vetch, and other species.
So as always, if you want to learn more about annual rye, feel free to visit our website at greencoverseed.com or call our office at 402-469-6784. And guys, this is a really sad video for me because it's the last one I'll be doing with Jakin. Now Jakin's going to be getting married here at the end of the month and moving to Jackson, Mississippi with his wife. Thankfully, he's going to stay on with us at Green Cover Seed as he grows our southern territory. So if you're in Jackson or around that area, feel free to give him a call. And Jake and I want to personally thank you for all the hard work you've done in making these videos a success, and just want to leave you with one final send-off.
Thank you. Thanks.